So something that I've noticed in our society is that how people tend to feminize the outgroup. Okay, so what does that mean? So I was watching this movie Stomp the Yard with my two teenage sons. It's a little bit older. It's 2007, so it's not too bad. But if you haven't watched that movie, that's your fault because it has like some of the better dance sequences that I've ever seen in a movie, taken from an old man. But anyway, to get to my point, is that the main character in Stomp the Yard, his name was DJ, and he was asked to join the rival step team, right? And this step team was walking up to him and asking him to join. And since DJ didn't step, he called people who did do step dancing, he called them pussies. Okay. And so that's if that's not bad enough, in the very final climactic scene, the step team that DJ did wind up joining, which should be interesting in and of itself, they called the rival team now bitches. Okay. So then what does this mean that we do this? Because here I am in Southern California. Look, I know that surfers call people who bodyboard and boogie board. I know they call them bitches. I know people that street race who use American muscle cars. They call people who use the Japanese cars bitches. I know that people who ride Harleys call people who ride ninja bikes bitches. I know, that people who skateboard call people who ride scooters bitches. And I kid you not, I would not be surprised if I found out that people who sew call people who knit and crochet bitches. But I don't know that one. But anyway, but what does this mean? What exactly does this mean in our society? What it means is that not only do we devalue the female in a male dominated society, but we also devalue the feminine in a masculine dominated society.